This is the Ninkear S13, and it's not only a Windows laptop, you can also use it as a Windows tablet. Essentially, you get a laptop with a detachable keyboard, so when you need portability, you have a powerful 13-inch tablet. In the package, you get the device itself, a stylus, keyboard stickers for different layouts and languages, the detachable keyboard, a 65-watt power brick, a USB-C charging cable, and the user manual. The tablet itself feels very nice and lightweight with no sharp edges. Because it weighs only 850 grams, which is much lighter than an average laptop, it feels great in your hands. The chassis is built from magnesium aluminum, and the screen already comes with a pre-installed screen protector. The speakers are side-facing and get the job done, but they're nothing special. At the top, there are exhaust vents along with the power button, and on the bottom we get pogo pins to easily attach the keyboard. On the left side, there are two fully functional USB-C ports along with the volume buttons. And on the right side, there's a USB Type-A port for even more compatibility. But let's talk about one of the most important components of any laptop, the display. The panel is a QHD plus 350 nit IPS touchscreen with a 16:10 aspect ratio, which means it's a bit taller and offers more workspace compared to the standard 16:9 format. The downside is that it only runs at 60 Hz, which, although standard, could have been higher in my opinion for a smoother experience. Nonetheless, the panel is vivid, sharp, and viewing angles are excellent. Now, the keyboard is also very lightweight and gets the job done, but it tends to flex a bit when you press on it a bit harder. You can either place it flat or at a slight angle, which helps a lot with typing. Another thing that tends to bend is the tablet's kickstand. When adjusting the angle, you can notice some flex going on regardless of how you position it. The good thing, though, is that it allows for multiple viewing angles and makes the device usable in various positions and scenarios. The included pen feels surprisingly high quality and even resembles an actual pencil. It's not one of those cheap styluses you usually see. Here you get two buttons, a USB-C charging port, and a tip that feels very natural when using it. Whether you're drawing, writing, or just navigating, it feels smooth and works great. One downside, though, is that although it is magnetic, the only place you can attach it is on the keyboard, which isn't very convenient when using the device as a tablet. Now, in terms of specs, this device packs an Intel Core Ultra 5115U with AI capabilities, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a 1 terabyte SSD. The Ultra 5 is an 8-core, 10-thread CPU that is both powerful and power-efficient. As for connectivity, you get Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5, so spec-wise, the Ninkear S13 has a lot to offer. Technically, this is a tablet, so of course we have two cameras. On the rear camera, you get some handy features like document scanning, which can be useful for work, but the overall quality wasn't very impressive. The front-facing camera is okay, but again, nothing special. Personally, I would have preferred a higher quality front camera instead of having two average ones. They get the job done, but don't expect anything outstanding. Ninkear claims up to 8 hours of standby time, and realistically, with actual usage like browsing or video streaming, you're looking at around 3 to 4 hours of battery life.
Of course, I ran some benchmarks, as I always do. I started with PCMark to get a general idea of overall performance, and the results were above my expectations. Cinebench R26, on the other hand, showed less impressive multi-core performance but excellent single-core performance. The multi-core performance is limited by the CPU's 15-watt TDP, so that was somewhat expected. Temperatures during benchmarks and stress tests were very good, with no thermal throttling at all. The SSD benchmarks were excellent, showing that it uses a fast NVMe drive. File transfers via USB-C were also fast and stable. This device isn't designed for gaming, but I still wanted to test the Intel integrated graphics. The 3D Mark benchmark showed surprisingly strong performance, which I honestly didn't expect. That was confirmed when running esports titles, which performed smoothly at around 60 frames per second on high settings. Even more demanding games delivered playable frame rates, which is impressive for integrated graphics. So, to sum it up, the S13 does a bit of everything. It's a laptop, a tablet. You can work on it, draw, and even do some light gaming. The display offers a very pleasant experience, making it great even for watching movies on the go. And if one display is not enough for you, you can plug an external USB-C monitor and take the experience to another level. It has enough power to handle heavy multitasking. But the real question is, why would you choose the Ninkear S13 over a more well-known branded 2-in-1 device? Well, with big brands, a significant portion of the price goes toward the name itself. From a pure specs perspective, the performance and features you get here are excellent for the price. To get a detachable Windows device with similar specs from a major brand, you'd likely have to pay a noticeable premium. Of course, like any product, it's not perfect. The rear camera isn't great, and the Kickstand Flex could be improved. But overall, it's a high-performing 2-in-1 device that works well for productivity, media consumption, and even some light gaming. Even video editing is possible. The Ultra 5 CPU can handle it without major issues. With that said, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'd be happy to help. I'll leave a link to the product in the description below. As always, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.